discuss with the second method to find out the square root, and the name of the method is prime factorization method. Before we go for this method, let us recall which are the prime numbers. We'll first understand the meaning of prime numbers and which are the prime numbers. So as earlier we discussed that the numbers which has only two factors. One factor is the number itself and another is 1. If I say that number 13, so we can say 13 has only two factors, that is 1 and 13, the number itself. Like 7. 7 has also two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So 1 is common in all and another is the number itself. So the number which has only two factors are called prime numbers, or we can say this number is a prime number. So now the prime number is clear. Now let us understand which are the few prime numbers. There are infinitely many prime numbers. So the smallest prime number is 2. You must be surprised and you must know it that 2 is the only even number which is the prime number. Students, अगर question exam में आता है ये question कि which is the smallest prime number, so you should remember 2 is the smallest prime number. 1 नहीं है, 1 is a special number क्योंकि 1 has only one factor and that number itself. That is why 1 is a special number, 2 is the smallest and it is the only even number which is a prime number. Rest of all the prime numbers are odd numbers. That is 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and many more. Look at except 2, all these prime numbers are odd numbers. So we should remember one thing, except 2, all prime numbers are odd. सारे prime numbers odd numbers होते हैं 2 के अलावा. But all odd numbers are not prime numbers. For an example, 9. So 9 has a factors 3 3s are. So 9 is not odd number. Fine. So now this about the odd numbers is clear. Let us discuss about the divisibility key of these three numbers. ये तीन काम divisibility key, which we have already discussed in the 7th and 6th standard, उसको एक recall कर देते हैं. Divisibility key मतलब how do we know from seeing the number whether it is 5 digit, 6 digit, that whether the number is divisible by 2, 3 or 5. There are all divisibility keys also, मगर हम तीन याद रखेंगे. One more time. How do we come to know whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not? So if the number is an even number, अगर कोई number दिया है, if it is an even number, so all even numbers are divisible by 2. Now how do we come to know it is an even number? So look at the unit digit, or we can say the last digit. If the last digit of a given number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, अगर कोई भी number है उसका unit digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 है, तो we should remember it is an even number. So that number must be divisible by 2. Okay. Let's come to the 3. How do we come to know? Let's see by one example. एक हम example ले रहे हैं 1, 4, 4. चलो. And now whether it is divisible by 3 or not. तो हमें जो भी number दिया है, there are 3 digits, so we'll do the sum of all the 3 digits. 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is 9. So you can see that sum of the digit is divisible by 3. So this number must be divisible by 3. मतलब 144 वो 3 से divisible होना चाहिए. 3 4s are 12 and 3 8s are 24. So you can see that 144 is divisible by 3. So what is the key of this divisibility key? If the sum of the digits divisible by 3, sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then the number must be divisible by 3. Now for the 5, we should remember the unit digit of any 5, any digit, if it is 0 or 5, कोई भी number हो, उसका unit digit अगर 0 और 5 है, तो that number is obviously divisible by 5. So these are the few divisibility key of 2, 3 and 5 which will use to find the square root using the prime factorization method. So let us continue with an example. The number is 324. We have to find out the square root of this number using the prime factorization method. So let's see that how we can find out the prime factors. First of all, as we discussed earlier that it has a unit digit 4. So it should be divisible by 2. हमें प्राइम नंबर से ही डिवाइड करना है. As we have written earlier, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. We are not supposed to take any another number, remember. So it should be divided by 2. 2 ones are 6 and 2 twos are. Still it is divisible by 2. 2 8s and 1s are. Remember students, अगर आपको जो नंबर दिया है वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है तो हम जो नंबर से प्राइम नंबर से वो डिवाइड कर रहे हैं वो हमेशा पैर में आने चाहिए. मतलब इट शुड बी ऑलवेज इन अ पैर ऑफ 2. कभी 3 कभी 4 नहीं आएगा, सॉरी कभी 3 कभी 5 नहीं आएगा. इट शुड बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पैर ऑफ 2, पैर ऑफ 4, पैर ऑफ 5, 6 like this. Now 81 we know it's not divisible by 2. तो 3 से divisible हो रहा है. 3 27s are. 27 is divisible by 3. 9s are. Still it is divisible by 3 and 3 1s are. So let's see that this all the numbers are in a pair. You can see. That is 324. We can write 2 times, 3 2 times and 3 2 times. So all the numbers are in a pair we have. If you wish to write, we can write one more step. It's not compulsory this one. मैंने ये सब स्क्वायर को कॉमन लिख दिया ब्रैकेट करके. So now this become 18. So now when we do the square root, क्योंकि हमें square root ढूंढना है. So when we do the square root, the square will be gone. So we obtain that this square root of 324 is 18. So students remember this is the prime factorization method to find out the square root of any number. So let us continue with the question number 4 to find out the prime factors, find out the square root using the prime factorization method. So let's see the first question. That is the question number 4, the first number we'll do. We have to find out the square root using the prime factorization method. 729 and we have to do the prime factorization. As you can see the unit digit is 9, so obviously it is not divisible by 2. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है ये 3 से डिविजिबल है. हमें चेक करना है बाय यूजिंग द डिविजिबिलिटी की ऑफ 3 जो हमने आगे पढ़ा. 7 + 2 9 + 9 18 तो जरूर होगा. सो ये 3 से डिविजिबल है. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. आई एम डूइंग दिस ओरली. स्टूडेंट्स अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा है तो यू कैन डू द डिविजन हियर इन द रफ वर्क, बट ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस ओरली. जितनी आप ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ही आपको इजी रहेगा. One more time, 3 8s are 24, 1s are. One more time, 3 27s are. 3 9s are. 3 3s are. And 3 1s are. So we can see here, we got the 3 in a certain pair. 729 is 3 3 3. So 3 times we have the square of 3. हम डायरेक्ट 3 raised to 6 भी लिख सकते हैं, doesn't matter, वो भी सही है. बट दिस इज अगेन वन वे टू राइट इट. हम हमेशा पैर में लिखेंगे तो इजी रहेगा. आई हैव रिटन द कॉमन स्क्वायर. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So this is 729. So when I do the square root, we know that the square should be removed. So it's come 27. So here we come to the conclusion that the square root of 729 is 27. Let us do one more question to find out the solution. We'll direct move towards the fourth one. बाकी जो sums रह रहे हैं आप please try करना. You'll do the practice. If you have any question query, you can comment me. You can write in the comment section. It's 4096. So let us go for it. 4096. As the given number has a unit digit 6, so it must be divisible by 2. 2 2s are, it's not divisible. 2 4s are, 2 8s are. It's 2 1s are, 0s are, 2s are and 4s are. It's 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are, 2s are. Still it is 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are and 2 6. 2 1s are, 2s are, 8s are. It's 2 6 are 2 4s are. It's 232, 216. It's 2 8. I'm sorry. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 2 2s are, and the last we obtain 2 1s are. So all are the factors in the form of 2. So 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair, and 6 pair. So we can write here that 4096. It's 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, and 2 square. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Can be written in this form. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times I have written the whole square. 2 6 बार है. So we know what the answer is. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8. So 8 8s are 64. So 4096 is the square of 64. So when we do the square root of 4096, we can write it as 64. So thus students, we can find out the square root of the given number in this way by the method of prime factorization. Let's see few more sums. The question is 5929. So let's find out the prime factors of this using the factorization, prime factorization method. As the unit digit 9, it's not divisible by 2. So let's try with 3. So it's 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 9. So 18 plus 7, it's 25. So again it is not divisible by 3. 3 7 ही होगा. Next prime number is 5. As the unit digit is 9, so we can say it is not divisible by 5 also. Let's try with the next prime number. I hope students you are getting. मैंने पहले 2 से ट्राई किया, फिर 3 से किया, फिर 5 से किया. Now I'll divide with 7 to identify whether it is divisible or not. So 8 7s are 56. It's 32. 8 4s, 7 4s are 28. 49. 7 7s are 49. So we can see it is divisible by 7. That is 847. Now remember students, this digit must be divisible by 7 now. अब दोबारा चेक नहीं करना है. As we have already checked with 2, 3 and 5, तो अब दोबारा इससे चेक ही नहीं करना है, क्योंकि इसके 2, 3 या 5 में से कोई फैक्टर्स आएंगे ही नहीं अभी. Now we have to again check by 7. कंपल्सरी होना ही चाहिए, as it is a perfect square. 7 से डिवाइड हुआ तो this number can also be divisible by 7, क्योंकि 7 हमें कम से कम 2 बार चाहिए. So let's try it. 7 1s are 7, 14, 7 2s are and 7 1s are. Now students you can see that it is divisible by 7. अब ये 7 से डिवाइड हो गया. Now look at the number is 121. As we have already learned the square from 1 to 25. So this is a square of 11. So 11 11s are and 11 1s are. So we obtain that the pair of 7 and pair of 11. So 5929. It's written 7 square into 11 square. So can be written 7 into 11 the whole square. So it's 77 the whole square. Now when we write this into the square root form, the power 2 is cancelled. So we can say that the square root of 5929 is 77. Let us do one more question. That is the next number. It's 9216. So let us go for it. 9216. As the unit digit is 6, it must be divisible by 2. ये 2 से divisible होगा. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Now students I observe, कई बच्चे यहाँ पे सीधा 8 लिख देंगे. 2 8s are 16. But remember it is wrong. क्योंकि 1 is left. आप अच्छे से डिवाइड करोगे तो पता चलेगा. 2 6 are 12 करने के बाद when you carry 1, so 1 is not divisible by 2, so should be 0 and it comes 8. और इन जनरल देखो कि 9000 का आधा 4500 के आसपास ही होगा. In the general form, the half of 9000 is nearby 4500. अगर मैं 0 नहीं लिखता, so it cannot be near 450. I hope you are understanding. So this is the small things which we have to understand. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में आते हैं जहां पे नॉट डिविजिबल 0 रखना पड़ता है और बच्चे गड़बड़ करते हैं and they won't get the perfect square. अगेन 2 से करना ही है. 2 2s are 3s are not divisible 4. Again 2 2 1s are 1s are 5s are 2s are. Again with 2 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 2 6s are. Again with 2 2s are 2 8s are 8s are. Again with 2 2 1 44. जैसे 144 12 का स्क्वायर आ रहा है तो हम नहीं लिखेंगे डायरेक्ट, क्योंकि हमें बोला है प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, तो हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ही करेंगे. 72 36 18 29 33 and 31. So we can see that all the numbers are in pair. We have to 1 2 3 4 5 times. So 9 2 1 6. 2 is 5 times in a pair. Second time, third time, fourth time and fifth time. Where one more, that is 3 square is there. So all can be written in this form: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 raised to 2. So we'll do the product of all this. It's 2 raised to 5, that is 32. 32 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So when we do the square root of 9216, we will obtain 96. I hope students you understand this method. So the rest of the sums try to do it by yourself. Thank you.